guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for you. Listen, if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face by her, I am Shay with the pow pow. I did biceps and triceps today, so I feel like my biceps is popping. Look at that bicep. Anyway, if you are new here, subscribe, hit the like button, support your girl. So with that being said, listen, y'all, look, my voice is jacked up. Look, I don't know what I'm gonna sound like tomorrow, but I feel like it's continuously evolving, and I'm hoping that it stops because I sound really jacked up right now. And so, but for today, y'all, listen, I started this video yesterday. I was waiting for my Fetch Reward gift card to hit so I could do my fetch offers, because as y'all know, with Fetch Reward, like, dude, don't screw yourself by spending all your PayPal money and getting back gift cards. That's all I'm gonna say, because that's what I did last time, and I ended up PayPal broke, and I had all these freaking gift cards for Walmart. So I said, no, we're not gonna do that again. So what I did is I did a bunch of deals on the first day. I cashed out as early that morning as I could. My gift cards for Walmart take 70 hours, and I be clocking it. 70 hours. I cashed out on the 22nd at was 11:08, and it hit at 9:08 today. All right, so it takes exactly 70 hours for me. And I used that gift card to get all of my fetch deals that I did today. So that's why I broke it up into 2 days. That's the best way to do it, so that you don't end up spending all of your PayPal cash for gift cards. Basically converting cash into gift cards. So with that being said, let me mention this deal really quick. I went to 7-Eleven. This is a Fetch Reward offer. I was hoping that it was going to double for us, but it didn't. But free is free, and I'm not going to complain, right? And 7-Eleven was on the way to Walmart, so why wouldn't I stop in and just grab them? So these are on the dollar deal this week at 7-Eleven. Check your fetch offer and see what stores it's available for you. It's spend 3, get back 3, and the limit is 2. So you can grab 6 and you can get back 6, which is what I did. And I haven't had these in a long time. And I was actually going in there to get the crackers that we got last time. And those are more than $1. I think those are like $1.28, somewhere up in there. And I was happy when I saw these, and I grabbed these instead to make these absolutely free. And I would much rather eat these than crackers. And so I got that. I have a lot of Field Agent. Now, some of you guys want me to do a video on Field Agent. I'm not super, like, I don't know everything about Field Agent, let me just say that. And I can work on a video for you guys, just letting you guys know what I know. But Field Agent, they pay you, it goes to your bank account. You have to link your bank account. Because one of you guys asked that, and the comment just got lost. I don't know where it is. But I did do like 7 or 8 Field Agent jobs, and I just worked them into what I'm already doing, so that I'm not going out of my way for this $3, this $4, you know what I mean? And so with that being said, because my intro is long as hell, we're going to head into Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what, oh, Target too. I have some Target as well. And so if you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
Yeah, you already know. Okay, Rockstar, 188 times 2, 376. $2 on checkout 51, which we are doing first until they say, here is your money, Shay. Then we'll submit to inbox dollars, getting back another $2, making them both free, plus a 24-cent moneymaker. Next up is the Pure Leaf. This is on the 64 ounce. I got the last sweet tea. So we're grabbing one, price at $3.38, $1.50 back on checkout 51, $1.50 on inbox dollars. We'll bring that down to only 38 cents. And of course, like duh, this deal right here is a total no-brainer. And I love these. Hello. So we're gonna grab the dips and spreads Hillshire Snackings again, priced at $2.97. I'm greedy, so we're grabbing 4. We'll end up paying $11.88. Getting back $3 on checkout 51 and $8 on inbox dollars. Or ta-da, our Swagbucks, our My Points, our Easy Bucks, our Upromise, either one, making them only 22 cents each. All right, y'all. So this next deal is on the Knorr premium flavor base thingies. These are a lot smaller than I thought, and they're not where I expect them. Well, I guess this is where you would expect them to be. It's not where I looked originally. And so these are priced at $5.88. Now I'm a little on the fence with this deal still. And so I'm gonna give you a few. Well, I'll give you one option, then I'll pop up a couple other options for you. And so first option would be to grab two of them. You end up paying $11.76, getting back a total of $6 on Fetch Reward, which is $2 for each plus a $2 spin offer, or spin 10 get back too. And then $4, which is $2 for each on Ibotta, would make them 88 cents each, which is definitely not bad compared to $5.88 each. I'll pop up the other two options if you want to get 3, and then of course if you want to grab 4. We did get some more Flavor Wiki surveys this morning, and for all of you guys that say, oh, you get so lucky on Flavor Wiki, they just love you. Look, I only got 1 out of the ones that I did, and I think I did like 6. So I'm gonna share with you guys the ones that I did get. In the comments, let me know which ones you got, if you got some different ones. First is on the Lay's 8-ounce classic.
You guys, really quick, speaking of Flavor Wiki, I'm probably not even going to be able to talk in an hour. Flavor Wiki, they haven't paid me out for the granola bars yet. I don't think anybody's been paid yet. Secondly, I did put a ticket in, only going to be getting paid once, all right? So in the future, you have to buy the item multiple times if you have multiple surveys. So just a heads up on that. The deal was still a moneymaker, so I'm not necessarily complaining. At the same time, it's like, why give us multiple surveys for it? This is the same thing. I'd rather just have it one time than see it a dozen times, but I have to.
Is priced at $3.50, getting back $5 on Flavor Wiki would make that a $1.50 moneymaker. All right, the next one, it doesn't look like they have it here. I think I got that one at Food for Less in the past. It's the Kettle brand, but it's the sea salt, the regular sea salt. It's a brown bag. You're getting back $7 on Flavor Wiki for that one. The other one is the Utz. I think that's how you pronounce it. One of you guys told me how to pronounce it. I totally forgot. That one we don't carry either. And I think that one you're getting back 7 as well. All right, the last one that I got is on the Great Value. It's on the potato chip. It's this one right here. It's the 8-ounce. You guys know with Flavor Wiki, you want to make sure that you get the correct size and ounces and flavor. Otherwise, you will not be reimbursed. So we're going to grab one priced at $1.50. For this one, we're getting back $4 on Flavor Wiki. So it would make this a $2.50 moneymaker. Right, so I'm going to be grabbing the Ocean Spray Zero Sugar again. They are on rollback for $3.28. For this, you want to grab 2 of them. You end up paying $6.56. You'll get back $1 for each on checkout 51. There's also $4 on Easy Bucks for buying 2. Brings them down to only 28 cents each. And I'm going to go ahead and max this out again and grab 4. So next up is the Pillsbury biscuits. These are priced at $2.14 for the 5 count, it looks like. And so grabbing 2 of them, you would end up paying $4.24, getting back $1 for 2 on Ibotta, $1.50 on Fetch for buying 2, makes them 87 cents each. Right. So this next group of deals is all beech nut. We're going to be grabbing the beech nut. It's on the meats, the turkey or the chicken. They're priced at $2.28. You'll get back $2 on Fetch. Now I do have an offer on Social Nature for 50% back, which is $125. Which will make one of them a 97-cent moneymaker. The limit on Fetch is a limit of 4, so I would definitely be grabbing 4 of them. We also have an offer on the fruities and the veggie ones as well. Those are priced at $128, getting back $1 on Fetch Reward would make those 28 cents. And the limit on that one, I believe, is a limit of 4. There's also an offer on the beech nut melties with probiotics. Those are priced at $2.97. Getting back $2 on Fetch Reward brings us down to 97 cents each. The OD bars are priced at $7.97 for the 15 count. We do have an OTC offer for that. It's been around for a while, and it is still good. So hopefully I'll be able to scan that at checkout. It'll bring the total down to $5.97. We'll get back $5 on Fetch Reward, bringing that down to only 97 cents. Make this a pretty good deal. And also a good item to donate if you don't need it, which we know I don't need it. All right, y'all. So here is an awesome deal on Airwick. This deal popped back up. I believe it works on the warmers, which we know we don't need no dang warmers. It's gonna be a warmer in every stocking this year, right? And so we're gonna be grabbing the Airwick. It's working on the kits, which are priced at $3.97. Getting back $3 on Ibotta, limit of 1, makes it only 97 cents. So of course I'm gonna grab one for Walmart Rewards as well. So I'm gonna be doing the Nivea lotion. I did this in one of my last Walmart hauls. The little 8.4 ounce is priced at $4.97. $2 on Ibotta, $2 on Checkout 51, and then 2 on one of the sister apps. It did work for me last time, and so it's gonna make this $1.03 moneymaker. I'm hoping this deal works out. It's on the Advil. We just got an offer on Ibotta for $4. That offer's on the 40 count, which is here, priced at $6.68. Now we do have offers on the sister apps. Buy 2, get back 10. It does work for the $5 one or the 20 count one right there. I don't think the minis scanned the 20 count, but the regular one did scan. And so I'm gonna try. Okay, so I'm gonna try grabbing a total of 4 of them all together. I'll grab 1 at $6.68, 3 at $5. The total's gonna come to $21.68. I should get back $20 on EasyBucks. A total of $7.20 on Checkout 51, which I want to say is $1.80 each. And then $4 on Ibotta. It should make it a $9.52 moneymaker, so I will let you guys know how this works out. All right, you guys. My voice is total crap right now. I'm going to try to keep this brief. I'm going to probably just include all of the other deals that were not Walmart in the Google Doc. I did Target. I did Aldi. I did 7-Eleven. Food for Less for the Kettle Brand chips, and Dollar Tree for the Old Spice. I was surprised that that was still available, but I did do that. Now I did like 6 or 7 field agent jobs where you just take pictures in store. I'm including that in this. I did a buy and try on the Yasso ice cream. That was a really good deal. I did get back the $50 Walmart gift card for Fetch Reward, and I used that for all of the Beach Nut, the Nora, the Ocean Spray, because I didn't want to spend more money to get back gift cards. I was really waiting for that to come through. I got that at 9 o'clock rather, and then that's when I did that deal there. I used the whole gift card, so everything there worked out good. Now, I am including the Uber Eats promotion. That one for $60 is supposed to take 2 weeks, so I hope that it comes through sooner. I included the My Purina. When you set up a pet profile, you get $23. I did get that back already, so I'm going to include that as well. I do have a lot of receipts. I did do 6 or 7 field agent deals, if I didn't mention already, where you go in store, you take pictures. Those jobs, you guys, only take me like 10 minutes at most. And I go in, I take my pictures real quick and I bounce. I work those jobs around my deals so that way I'm not just going just for that. And so with that being said, I'm going to run through this super fast. All right. And so everything you see here, it retails $2.02.46. $2 OTC on the Beach Nut OD bar. That one scanned perfectly fine in self-checkout. Out of pocket, $246. My sales tax, it includes fees and tax
for the Del Taco meal. So it's super high, but I had to include that. The fees was like $10, which, like I said before, it's crazy that people do Uber Eats on a regular basis. I could never. And so it's $17.59 with tax and fees. All right. Fetch Reward, $136.55 from Fetch Reward. Easy Bucks, $34. Inbox, $33.50. Field Agent, $28.99. Checkout 51, $26.90. Ibotta, $22.09. Flavor Wiki, $16. Social Nature, $11.23. If I get back the extra $3.98, it would be $15.21. PayPal, $8.75. Aisles is $7.04. And last but not least, Walmart Rewards, $7. Getting back a total of $332.05. It makes everything you see here, you guys. It's free plus $131.59. How freaking amazing is that, you guys? Okay, so with that being said, look, let me see a yowling emoji in the comments if you make it to the end, because that is freaking awesome, you guys. With that being said, I hope you guys appreciate this video. I'm gonna be speechless today. I'm not gonna talk anymore after this video. I'm gonna try to save my voice, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.